Highbury College in 2009-2010 was the #1 college for its success rates in the country, and what we wanted to try and do is engage much more with the community, and we realised that traditional paper prospectuses weren't going to do that. With the prevalence of mobile smartphones with tablet computers, we found that we wanted to engage in new markets and that apps were going to enable us to do that. The iProspectus app enables students to browse our course catalogue, mark courses as favourites if they want to go back and look at them later on. It allows them to share the courses with their friends and family, it allows them to make an online application and also interact with the college, find out what things are going on in terms of our news and our events. The key thing for us with the mobile app was to allow us to do things we couldn't do with traditional prospectuses, add multimedia, audio, interaction, allow people to make online applications directly into our MIS system and to reduce our costs. The iProspectus app is quite unique for the market because it integrates directly into our MIS system. This means that when someone makes an application, all the data is already in our MIS system and our team just needs to pick it up and process it. There's no complicated copy and pasting from emails. It goes directly into the system so we can track and manage applications.
I think the app has affected the college in a positive way because it's sort of like today in society, apps and gadgets and that sort of thing are quite hot. Everyone wants them, everyone uses them. And I think having an educational facility like Highbury endorsing these apps, having their own apps, makes it seem a bit more up to date, a bit more modern, and which people tend to like. I think new students come into the college will view the app as a positive thing for them and as well as the college. Not only can you view the prospectus through the app, but you can also apply. So even if you're sort of sitting there 12 o'clock at night looking through the app, you can apply then, or 12 o'clock in the afternoon. If the friends are in with the group, they can't really show off sort of a prospectus for another college. But if they've got their own prospectus, the Highbury prospectus on their app, it sort of shows off the college in a modern sort of facility. And I think that's what people sort of are gearing towards now and gearing towards the future of mobile apps and iPad apps, etc.
What's great about the iProspectus we've got at the moment is as soon as someone downloads it, it downloads the latest version of our prospectus. Now that is updated on a weekly basis, so if we make any changes to our curriculum, our fee structure, or we introduce some new programmes, then that's readily available. We no longer have to go back to print, reissue, so it's much more dynamic for us as an organisation. The development process working with Portal was outstanding. We worked directly with the developer who contacted me on a daily basis during the life cycle of the development of the programme. He'd regularly call me out of hours. He'd work to my times, not to his. He made changes where they were needed to, and he worked very closely with the development teams at my end within the college. The app's been marketed a number of channels. Firstly, we've done a big news campaign to let people know in the community the app's out there. We put it on our plasma screens, so any visitor that comes into college knows we've got an app, and we've also put it in our prospectuses as well. So anyone that picks up a prospectus, wants to find out more information, or perhaps wants a multimedia view of our prospectus, they can pick up the app from the Android store or from the iPhone store. What's great for us at the moment is we can track the downloads, we can track the applications, we can then track what types of devices people are using, so it actually enables us to have much more control on our marketing. In terms of development, what we want to try and do is we want to try and have more multimedia, add some more videos into it so people get a real sense of feel what it's like to come to college. We want to improve the engagement so people can then find out from other students what it's like to be at college, and to expand how people can taste what our courses are like. One of the problems with prospectuses is you have to keep printing them each year and keep updating them, and they're only as good as when you print them. The great thing about the mobile app is that we can update it dynamically whenever we want at no cost to the college. So that's going to really keep our costs down and also enable us to be much more reactive to our markets.